All of us have heard about savings account and current account, but none of us knows what it actually is. Well, a savings account is opened by an individual and a current account by a company. Savings accounts receives interest while current account receives none. So CASA ratio stands for total deposits in relations to the current and savings account. So CASA ratio of a bank is the ratio of deposits in current and savings account compared to its total deposits. Banks do not give any interest on current deposits, and the interest on a savings account is usually very low, between 3 to 4%. Importance of this ratio is that it indicates how much of a bank's total deposits are in current and savings accounts. A higher ratio means a larger portion of a bank's total deposits are in current and savings accounts, thus indicating lower cost of funds, which means the higher the deposits in both of these accounts, the lower will be the cost of managing the funds. Banks pay interest at 3 to 4% on saving deposit, which is way below its lending rate, thus decreasing the cost. For instance, most banks lend at over 10%, whereas the rate of interest that they pay on saving deposit is just 3 or 4%. So what is the impact? If a large part of bank deposits comes from these funds, it means that the bank is getting those funds at a relative lower cost. It is generally understood that a higher CASA ratio leads to higher net interest income because the interest paid on CASA deposits is lower than on the term deposits. Hence, the net interest income tends to be higher. Therefore, higher the CASA ratio, better is the net interest margin, which means better operating efficiency of the bank. CASA deposits are cheaper source of raising funds as compared to certificate of deposits, term deposits, which relatively requires higher interest to be paid by the bank. So now formula for the CASA ratio would be CASA deposits divided by the total deposits. Now suppose a bank has a total deposits as rupees 50,000 crore and savings account deposits is rupees 15,000 crores and current account deposits is 8,000 crores. So CASA ratio would be 15,000 plus 8,000 divided by 50,000, which is 46%. Thus, the CASA ratio of bank is 46% means that the total deposits are contributed by low cost CASA deposits. So CASA percent of any bank is an important financial component to look at when analyzing a bank. It tells us about the profitability and the operating efficiency of a bank. It can be compared on time basis with other banks to understand the strength of the banks.